Hello guys, welcome back, and in today's video I will show you how you can make this cool YouTube subscriber count animation in Adobe XD. So let's get started. So now we are in XD. For this example I created this design. I will provide the link in the description for the XD file so you can download it and follow up along the video. So now we will set our numbers. I'm going to write down from 0 to 9 for the first value vertically. For the second and third, I will copy paste and make it 2 times. This will increase the movement and we will see more activity than first row when the number changes. Now select the rectangle tool and make a rectangle in this area. Select all the layers which include the numbers. Right click and choose mask with shape. This will hide all the numbers other than that are in rectangle. Now we will choose the value for the first artboard. Right now I have 121 subscribers on my channel. So I will choose this number as our starting number. Now press Ctrl+T to duplicate the first artboard. Change the value and choose the number from the second sequence. Now click on any shape in the background. It will select the whole group. Arrange the angle to -15 degree and reduce the opacity to 25%. Press Ctrl+T again with the second artboard selected. This time we will change all 3 numbers. For the shapes, change the angle to -30 degree and the opacity to 10%. Our design is completed. Now press Ctrl+Tab to switch to the prototype mode. Select the first artboard, click on the arrow and drag it to the second artboard. Now we will select the properties for this interaction. To do so, move the mouse to the right side and you will see this panel. Select the time trigger and delay value to 0.4 seconds. Action should be auto animate. Easing should be ease in out and select duration to 0.6 seconds. Do the same for the second artboard and join the last artboard to the first artboard with same values to form a loop. Now we will test the interaction. To do so, click on the play button. Our interaction is ready. And guys, that's it for today. Guys, I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.